Bless you. God dang. What was that? COVID. Get out of here, man. That's sick. We are way too crap for that shit, man. Bless you. Arhamakumullah. Was that you? Oh, bless you. I'm so sorry. No, it's okay. Are you Arab? I am. Okay, we all make that sound then. That's not just the men. Like the women. The women, I didn't know that. Now I know when I get married. That shit, that's a possibility. I don't know. You just opened my mind. That's really cool. Achoo. God bless you, man. You just like sneezed out every disease. That shit was polio. I was like, we haven't seen that in decades, man.